WhatsApp messages not showing on your screen or lock screen. Let's fix the notification issue in just a few quick steps. Solution 1. Fix notification and background settings. First, open the settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on See All Apps and find WhatsApp in the list. Tap on WhatsApp. Next, go to Mobile Data Usage. Make sure the toggle for unrestricted mobile data usage is turned on. Go back and tap on App Battery Usage. Here, make sure Allow Background Usage is enabled. Now, go back again and tap on Notifications. Make sure the toggle to allow notifications is turned on. This ensures that WhatsApp can show messages on your screen even when the app is running in the background. Solution 2. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the issue is still not fixed, you can try reinstalling the app. Open Settings again. Go to Apps and tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on Uninstall and confirm by clicking OK. Once uninstalled, open the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp and tap Install to reinstall it on your phone. After reinstalling, open the app, set it up again, and your notifications should start working normally. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.